Hi, everyone. Today, I'll show you how the JCAATs XBRL Connector is transforming the way finance and accounting professionals access and analyze SEC filings. JCAATs brings all your audit data together into a single intelligent platform. Our breakthrough XBRL connector links to the SEC's EDGAR system and instantly transforms complex filings into usable data. EDGAR hosts every U.S. public company's disclosures, including annual 10-K report in XBRL. SEC reporting has evolved over decades. This history explains today's complexity, massive data, multiple formats, and structured or unstructured data. This wealth of information is powerful, but without the right tools, extracting insights is time-consuming, inconsistent, and often overwhelming. This is where the JCAATs XBRL connector comes in. With JCAATs, you can search by company or industry, extract multiple format data, and merge years of filings for insight analysis. In short, JCAATs turns filing chaos into structured insights, instantly. Take Apple as an example. With just a few clicks, JCAATs pulls 15 years of 10-K filings and instantly extracts data like the income statement. Step 1. From the JCAATs menu, choose New Table to begin importing data. In this demo, we select the XBRL connector to pull SEC filing data directly. The XBRL connector interface appears. Enter the company's identifier, either the ticker symbol or CIK, to import its filings. If you don't have the CIK, simply use the built-in search function. Here, we search for Apple Incorporated by name. The system displays results with company name, ticker, and CIK. We select Apple Incorporated and add it to the list, then click OK to proceed. Next, set the filing date range to filter which reports to import. Finally, choose a save path before moving forward. Now select which taxonomy to import, structured or unstructured data. For this demo, we'll select the income statement from structured financial data. Double-click the taxonomy you selected to preview the data. Once confirmed, click Next. JCAATs automatically detects the data type for each field, making setup simple. Review and click Next. Finally, confirm the table name and storage setup. Here, we name it Apple_income statement, then click OK. JCAATs instantly imports the last 15 years of Apple's income statement, displayed in the table you defined. You can now browse, query, and analyze the data directly, ready for deeper insights. Many pilot users have already confirmed the power of the JCAATs XBRL connector. Now is the time to end the struggle with expensive financial databases. JCAATs, unlocking SEC filings for smarter research and decisions. Thank you very much, and we look forward to supporting your academic and professional work.